one habit that will improve your health, that is your life. That is what I am going to share in today's video. If you watch this video from the beginning to the very end, you will know a perfect habit you as a man need to adopt in order to live a healthy life, in order to have a good immune system. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men, and my name is Kenneth Os. In case you are new on this channel, consider to subscribe and don't forget to hit the like button. Turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. But before I proceed, I want to say thanks to all my subscribers and my followers. Our community, our family is growing gradually. So as you support this channel, may God support you in all your life endeavors. So what is that one habit that you need to adopt in order to improve your health? This habit, not only improving your health, it will also make you to live a long life. And once you live a long life, that is when you will be the best man you want to be, and it will always make you to be happy, because health is wealth and health is also happiness. What is that habit? That habit is nothing but adopt taking natural ingredients. What do I mean by natural ingredients? Natural ingredients are ingredients that do not contain chemical or any preservative chemicals. If you can always depend on taking natural ingredients for 1 month, come and give me testimony, and you must have a testimony. If you depend consuming natural ingredients without taking anything that contains chemical for 1 month, you must have a good testimony. What are the natural ingredients? Natural ingredients are, for example, fresh tomato, that is fruits, fresh vegetable, fresh fish, fresh meats, anything natural. If you can put yourself in a condition of taking anything natural for complete 1 month, I bet you that you are going to have many benefits. Many benefits, like 1, your immune system will be in the best state. 2, as a man, you will always perform well, in the sense that no more erectile dysfunction, and you will always be happy because of the good state of your health. Number 3, it will help you to have a good skin, because natural ingredients will improve your skin or your body system. Number 4, fats. Taking natural ingredients has so many benefits. So if you are the type that always engage in taking anything containing chemicals, like drinking of alcohol, junk food, or any preservative food, from today, as you watch this video, avoid them and start depend on taking natural ingredients for 1 month. You must have a testimony. I am not making this video to make a video, no, but my sole aim of making all this video is for the health of men globally. So what I found out that works, I will share it here for everyone to be notified or to know about it. These natural ingredients are very powerful. Do you know that any food that contains chemicals lead to cancer? The more accumulation of chemicals in your body system, the more it leads to cancer. So from today henceforth, avoid any food that contains chemical and adopt or engage yourself in taking natural ingredients. Take it as a challenge. Take it as the best daily routine you are going to adopt. Depend on taking natural ingredients. Like I mentioned earlier, you know the natural ingredients. So once you can do this, it will help you to improve your health or have a good life. And once you have a good life as a man, that is always when you will do your job and perform well as a man. So that is what I want to share in today's video, and that is it in today's video. If you get value, consider to subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload videos concerning men and natural ways to keep men. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section below. I will reply your comments as soon as possible. Thank you for stopping, and thank you for watching. Like and share this video to your friends and families so that they will know the best habits they will adopt in order to improve their health or their life. Thank you once again. I wish you good luck, good health. Stay safe. See you in my next video. Have a nice day. Bye.